It's been really exciting. Last year we launched the first version of SwiftKey, which is our text entry application for Android, and I think we got a lot of consumer momentum behind that during 2010. So we then were featured as one of the kind of top 10 apps of 2010 on Android, placing third in the Consumer Electronics Show App Showdown at the beginning of this year, and we're now up to around 750,000 downloads. And that momentum has really led into a lot of manufacturer interest. So at the start of this year, we've had two big announcements. First of all, we're fortunate enough to feature with Google as part of their Honeycomb Android launch on their new tablet device. So we launched an early prototype of SwiftKey tablet for the Honeycomb devices on the Motorola Xoom. And we've now also got the first Ink phone, which we're actually proud to be the default keyboard on that. So it's our first licensing contract with a manufacturer, and that actually launched today. What's really great about this Ink phone is that they've integrated social media right at the heart of it. So here on my home screen I have Facebook. I can also move across, I've got a Spotify player linked in, which I can just start very easily. At the bottom, all of the different applications I want to access, I can simply scroll through and have the really easy ability just to pop up a new application. So moving into, let's say, this Facebook application, one of the key new features is this people function. And the idea here is it chooses the top 5 friends that you have and it integrates their news feeds and everything they've been saying. So it's really easy to keep in touch with your friends. And our keyboard, the touch type keyboard, is at the heart of this new phone. So whatever application you use, it pops up and you get predictions straight away. So before you've typed in anything. So here I'm going to say, hi, great to meet you today. Hi is already here, so I can simply select it by pressing it. Great's not there, so I press a G, R, the word's there. Once it's got that context of great, you can see to's predicted, meet's one of the options. Today is not there, so I can type in a few letters just to prompt the predictions. Here today. When you use the keyboard for the first time, it's such an integral part of the phone, making that messaging easier, making emailing, Facebook much easier on those devices. We hope is something that people then tell their friends and really start building momentum behind it.
We've actually analysed about 800 billion words of text, and what we do is we have this pipeline that takes all of that stuff. But actually what it gets distilled down to is something that's really very small and fits on a mobile device very easily.
So it works on phones. But what about tablets, like this first look at Motorola Xoom? Would SwiftKey work here too?
We know that typing on a tablet device is hard. You know, that's kind of recognised now. And what we've done is to take the early access that we were given to the Xoom, which was really exciting. And we spent some time in California with the guys from Google. And what we've done is to completely redesign the interface so that it fits under your thumbs. And what we think we've come up with is the right way to type on a tablet device. You know, we spent a long time prototyping this technology, maturing it to the point where we could unleash it on the world. And actually, just in the past few months, we've had a number of calls from some very interesting parties, and we can't go into it in too much detail now, but watch this space.